Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Google Map 3D models into Blender 3.1. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you have to scroll down, go to my video description. I already give you a link that is download Google Map 3D Grabber. This is a Google Drive link. Once you download it, it is a zip file. You have to extract it to make it in a folder. Alright, once you already download and extract this zip file, the Google Map 3D Grabber, as demo, I put it on my desktop. The Google Map 3D Grabber, when you open, you should be able to see the RenderDoc 1.13 and also Blender 3.0 that I given to you. The first thing what you need to do is just go and install the RenderDoc 1.13. Once you already download the RenderDoc 1.13, next is open the Blender 3.0 that given by me. You double click in, the Blender is here, you double click to open. And you need to go one more step here. Once you already open, next, go to the Edit, Preferences. Under the add-on, here you have to search Map and MAP, Map. You must make sure you tick the Import Export Maps Model Importer. This is really crucial, you must do that. Alright, once you tick it, then you close it, you go to the file, import, you should be able to see the Google Map Capture RDC. Once you already can see this, that means your Blender 3.0 is done already. Alright, next. The first thing what you need to do is just delete everything from here, the camera, the cube, and also the light. You press delete button to delete it and stand by here. Next, you have to close all your browser. Close all your browser like Google Chrome or Chromium or the Microsoft Edge. You close everything, close all the internet browser. And next, you must already have the Google Chrome in your computer. Go to download the Google Chrome as the Google Chrome browser already installed in your computer. Then you check my shortcut here. I have a Google Chrome RenderDoc shortcut and also have a Google Chrome original shortcut. Once you close everything already, first you start your RenderDoc. Right. Start your RenderDoc and then you click File, Inject into Process. Then here you type Chrome, C-H-R-O-M-E, Chrome. And then next, you start the Google Chrome by using my RenderDoc shortcut. Double click. By default, you should be able to see the Google Chrome will open with blank and also with a conversation here. So what you need to do is back to your RenderDoc here, you refresh, you should be able to see a Google Chrome GPU. Click and then click Inject. And next, here you click OK. Right. Once you start already, you should be able to see that there's some black background with some white text here. That means it is ready. Next, what you are going to do is enter the Google Map. How to enter the Google Map? I already give you the link, that is www.google.com/maps. Click into this link in your video description. You can type in. And next, for this time, I want to capture some of the Google Map 3D. For example, if I go to the Italy, right, or I can just search it here, for example, the Paris Eiffel Tower. Where is it? So now the Eiffel Tower is here. Next, you have to click the layer to activate the 3D, and you can see the 3D is at here. Now you can see the Eiffel Tower is here. So we are going to capture this territory and also included the Eiffel Tower. So what can we do? Back to the back to the RenderDoc here. To capture after delay here, you put 5 seconds. Next, you click capture after delay. You have to come back to here immediately and keep on moving the map like this, move it. So once the capture frame at here, it appear already, that means it already successfully captured. This is the one. What you can do is just minimize everything, and then it just left your RenderDoc. You right click, save. As demo, I will save it on my desktop. This is the Alpha Tower, Paris. I save it on my desktop as an RDC file. The RDC file is here already. Next, in your Blender 3.0 that I given to you, you must make sure you use the Blender 3.0 provided by me and install the RenderDoc 1.13. Although in this tutorial, later I'm going to show you how to send it to Blender 3.1. But so far, in order to install the RDC file, you have to use Blender 3.0 that provided by me. I already installed the plugin inside. You don't need to worry about the plugin. You click File, Import the Google Maps Capture RDC. Then this RDC file is on my desktop. Go to the desktop, the Alpha Tower in Paris. It is here. Double click in, and at this moment, what you need to do is just wait for a while until it finish loaded. Right? Just wait for a while. Right now, file import the RDC. Okay, for this time, seem that it is not working. We can just try again to capture one more time. Here, capture after delay. Five seconds. Now it already captured. Try it again. Here, right click, save. Save on my desktop. The Alpha Tower Paris RDC. This one I put 02 so that I will know that this is the one. And then this Blender, I just close it, don't save. Open it again. The Google Map 3D Grabber. I already give you the Blender 3.0 here. We try it again. Delete all of this. Right. Click File, Import the RDC. On my desktop, the Alpha Tower Paris 02.rdc. Double click. Okay, for this time, seems that it is working. Just wait for a while now. You see, it's still not responding. You just need to be patient. It is normal. Just a few seconds for it to import it. Just wait for a while. Now, it's still not responding. Please do not close it. Just wait until it appears. Alright, now you can see it appear already. That means everything already successful. So now, in your Blender 3.0, click here. It is going to activate and show you all the texture. You can see this is the Alpha Tower and also the Paris city that already in Blender 2.0. And you can see actually it's separated into a few mesh, a lot of meshes here. What we are going to do is just combine it. So here, to combine it, you just look from here, just select everything, then press Ctrl J. Now it combined into a single mesh. And at this moment, you can just export it as FBX file. Click File, Export as FBX file on our desktop. As demo, I will export it on my desktop. I will just name it as Alpha Tower Paris. As FBX file, the path mode, you have to make sure you copy and take it here so that it will embed the texture. Click Export FBX. Now, after it exported, now it is actually already, this is the FBX file. If you double click, it will open by using the 3D viewer in your Microsoft Windows 10. Once I open already, you can see it already show you the Alpha Tower in 3D. This is a FBX file. So next, in this tutorial, we are going to import the Google Map 3D into Blender 3.1. So now we focus on Blender 3.1. Alright, you can just scroll down, go to my video description, go and download the latest version of the Blender for any version. Right, it can be Blender 3.1 from here at this moment. Right, I already installed it. Blender. Alright, the previous one I can close it, don't save. Now, everyone you can see now, this is the Blender 3.1. So I will just delete everything from here. And then import the FBX file here, file import. Import the FBX file. From just now, it is on my desktop, the Alpha Tower Paris.fbx. This is to import the FBX file. Double click in and wait for a while. Now it is importing. At this moment, once it already imported, you can turn on the texture. Now you can see all the texture. Now you can see this is the Alpha Tower. Okay. So now you can see some of the texture it is not shown properly. But what about if you directly save from the Blender 3.0, it is okay. So just now the Blender 3.0, this one. Okay, I close my Blender 3.1. This is the Blender 3.1. I close it, don't save. This is the Blender 3.0. Right. After I import the RDC file from the desktop, the Alpha Tower Paris 02. Okay. Import it again, and I save it as a blend file. So now you wait for a while until it loaded. Now you can see it loaded already. Just turn on the texture for this time. If I open the Blender, this is the latest version, the Blender 3.1. Right, I delete everything. If we try to copy from this one, right, first, I repeated the process just now to combine all the mesh. Control J. Now, next, I click and then use Control C to copy. Then I back to the Blender 3.1, I Control V to paste. It is here already. It is pretty easy without involving exporting out the FBX file. Now you can see this Google Map 3D already existed and it is already in your Blender 3.1. It is just a very simple step to copy paste from there. For the first try, I exported as FBX file and you realize that when you import the FBX file, it already not showing the texture properly. For this time, we solved the problem, and that's all for today about how to import the Google Map 3D into Blender 3.1. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.